Well, for starters, Old Bunks broken, cracked in half on the way to the boat. I'm pretty sure that was hitting the hull of the boat. Not great at all. Look at how that boat is sitting. That's insane. Snapped cleanly in half. Skinny and tall. We got chodes. Beautiful. Bad boys changed out today. Old bunks, new bunks. All right, she's all tied up. Let's go do that trailer work.
Okay, entonces aquí.
Yeah, aquí. Do, just in case, this is a small clip, pero just in case, go over esto y le haces eso. Okay. Eso de ahí no se va a ningún, pero das una vuelta completa.
Y después le da aquí una vueltica así por si acaso.
Sí, ahí eso.
Bueno, para que.
Look at these bunks, bro. Look at this. Oh, that's horrible. This was basically hitting the boat the whole time. Change out these brackets too. So main thing I'm worried about with these brackets is the state of those lock nuts. So hopefully they release. Let's pray. ¿Qué cosa?
Tiene cut here.
No. No, it's just the casing it comes in. Let's try 3/4 for this.
Casi agarra, pero no llega. Pero es 14. 14 milímetros, pero no llega.
Okay.
Queda pegado arriba.
All right. Bueno, déjame. Let me start loosening these up first, and then we'll do those. These are the big ones. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yep. All right. These are the tough ones. Yeah, it's not gonna be a walk in the park. right, here we go. Little movement. Yep. Beautiful. One of the rusted ones is coming off. This is insane. Whew. You can't even see the thread on these things anymore because of the rust buildup. That's wild. Sir, walk it down. Walk it down. Oh, I rubbish it. Sorry, get this one. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, the good thing is that the outside ones are better. Yeah. Whew. This state of that. Huh? Not even thread on that anymore. One thing that's wild after taking off those first two nuts is that the socket is hot. This thing is hot to the touch right now, which is crazy. From the work that it's doing, it's literally hot to the touch. Wow.
Leverage.
Increase that leverage. No gym today, huh?
No gym today.
Someone much smarter than us would say, why don't you just cut those U-bolts?
Claro, con la herramienta correcta.
We don't have electricity, that's why. Tú, este ya está puesto. Bueno, le podemos haber dado vuelta.
Pero es que están de para el mismo lado.
Okay, and then two, exacto. Exacto, y ahí está. Let me build a set back for back there. So I had drawn a line with a Sharpie on where they were before. These boards are a little bit bigger, so I'm just putting it a little bit wider than it was before.
Aquí. Suponiendo de que tienen la misma profundidad los...
Okay. Un segundo. Right, you would. Beautiful. So last and final step, we put the boat on the new bunks. We saw that we needed to widen them up a little bit, so we took the measurement of how much we needed to widen them up so that they fall right on the spots that we want on the hull. We got that marked right there. And that's what we're doing here. Yeah, we're going to 12 and a half.
Okay.
Okay. That's like
Okay. Good.
Perfect. Okay. Gotta go to 12 and a half. Yep.
At the edge here.
Oh, it is?
Look.
Okay. Let's lock it up. Either way, back here is not really the issue. Tap these over. Yep. Beautiful. It actually, we have them set so that they open up a little bit in the back because of the shape of our hull specifically. They open up just a touch. They're about 1.5 inches wider on the back than they are on the front. All right, so got the boat loaded up. Obviously, that's not ideal. We're gonna fix that. We need to add another roller down here. But the new bunks are well set so that right now, you can actually see here from the transom, they fall right between the design for the boat. It's perfect. Side, same thing. Falls right between. That's beautiful. Excellent. This series of videos is basically to show you guys complete transparency, what we're spending to get this boat in the water in a safe manner, all the pluses that we're doing to make our lives easier when we're using the boat. If you have any questions, write them in the comments, like and subscribe. We're gonna be putting out more videos like this. Appreciate it.